Okay guys, today is our last day. Bye my friends. In the country. I'm super sad. I had an amazing time. I'm kind of exhausted, tired, have a little bit of allergy thing going on because of the pollen. Hey guys, welcome back to Samelia's World. I'm Samelia, and if it's your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe below. We are going on a train ride today on the Amtrak. We are headed to the Amtrak. It's our first time. You excited? Yeah. I'm excited to get from out of the heat. It's hot. Extremely hot. Go. Oh, I can't get the bag in. So there's no train. So we're really catching a bus.
It's a night charter.
Okay.
Not straight down.
So is it going straight through? Oh my god. My son thought he was going to get his first experience on the train.
I'm sorry.
Yes. So we're catching a bus, y'all. I thought we came here to catch a train. We're catching a charter bus. Hey guys. So the experience we thought we were getting today, we're about to get another one. So we are about to be on the bus instead of the train. And that's how we're rolling today. Y'all, it's always something.
Okay, you guys, you know I travel a lot, and it's not like there's anything wrong with the bus, but you have to be prepared for the experiences that you sign up for. And today, I was not prepared for us to be riding the coach bus. No.
For what?
Skittles. What? Skittles.
You're right.
There's definitely not as many amenities at the train station than the airport. Yeah.
The airport where you have a bunch of restaurants and places to eat and stuff like that. But here, vending machines. And I'm happy that we brought a couple snacks that he's gonna eat before we even get there. What you do?
So make sure you pack a lunch when you're going on the train. It's a boring wait. It's different because you look at a schedule, make sure you have your phone charges. It's also different because I can't get any more interruptions, okay? My son is trying to be in Samelia's world. We are struggling right now. But here's the deal.
So there's no screen for you to look to see what train or anything like that. You just go up to the window and you tell them what train, and then you make sure you have your ticket online or you purchase it here and you go. It's kind of like Grand Central Station in New York, but they still have like a screen where...
From Dallas.
It's Samelia's World.
It's kind of weird because we would normally be getting on the train, but we getting on the bus. Could have gone on a Greyhound if that's the case. On the bus. Congested.
It's a little different. It's very congested versus the airplane. Yeah. I'm so tired, I can't even tell y'all. We're on to the shuttle now.
Definitely a journey.
Samelia's World.
Did I almost fall?
You all right?
Yes, I'm okay.
We made it. Hope you guys enjoyed our journey on the Amtrak, which didn't happen to be the Amtrak coach ride. Like, subscribe, comment below.